Hi everyone, Michael Christie here from the New West Symphony. We are busily preparing for our winter weekend with New West Winter Spectacular, preceded by our first international culinary and entertainment experience, Winterfest. This Saturday, December 3rd in Thousand Oaks, the Winter Spectacular performance repeats in Camarillo, Sunday the 4th. In the meantime, you can participate in Winterfest's silent auction with your phone. In order to do so, you'll open your text message app, the one that you use to text friends and family, create a new message, and in that new message, in the text box, you're going to type NWS, and in the top, you're going to type the numbers 71760. Hit send, and then you're going to see a screen with a link. You're going to touch that blue link, which will then take you to the registration page. Enter the information that they're requesting. You'll be assigned a bidder number and then taken to all of the silent auction items that are on offer. Remember that the winning bid directly supports our educational and programming initiatives. We can't thank you enough. But if you don't have plans for this weekend and are looking to kick off your holiday season, Winterfest, Winter Spectacular at the New West Symphony. We have amazing artists, a wide array of programming, and with Winterfest, the most amazing December holiday related foods to really kick off your holiday season. Thank you all so very much.